Today we're gonna make this refreshing, creamy shrimp salad. Look at this, so beautiful. Can't wait to try. I'm gonna try it on a little lettuce. Fold this up, get a little. Get started on making our creamy shrimp salad. First, we're gonna start with shrimp. 1 pound of shrimp, any size. I have these little ones here. So cooked it, drained, cleaned, rinsed it off with cold water so that it is chilled. So we're add it right to the bowl. Now we're gonna add our veggies to that. So for our veggies, we have 2 medium size, or actually these are baby cucumbers. It's about a half a cup. So I'm gonna cut these, peel them. We're gonna dice these up. This salad is so delicious and I love the crunch. So all the veggies for the crunch, the more the merrier here. So we got clean our cucumbers, perfect. So we're gonna cut our cucumbers in 4 here and we'll dice them up. Add those right to the shrimp. Perfect. Next, our celery. So we'll take 2 celery stalks. You're gonna wanna peel the hard part of the celery off. And we're gonna cut this. I love the crunch of the celery. Okay, so we add that to the salad. Celery in the bowl. Next, a bell pepper. So bell peppers, I always like different colors, so I'm gonna use this orange one today. You can use yellow, red, green, whatever you have. So we're gonna cut that. I'm just gonna go around. There we go. Nice, easy way of cutting your pepper. Now we're gonna dice that up. So now we're gonna add our pepper. Look at that. And now we have chopped dill. Add that. And green onion. So all our veggies are right here, ready to go. Now we're gonna mix with our dressing. 1/3 cup of mayo. We're gonna do a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. We're gonna do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, we need a little salt and pepper for taste. Need zest from 1 lemon. Now lemon juice. I'm gonna do about half a lemon. Get all the juice out of there. Perfect. Now we're gonna whisk this together. So easy. Now we're gonna pour this on top. Now we're gonna mix this all up. Look at this, colorful. Amazing. Little black pepper on top, and this salad is ready and it looks amazing. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.